Yeah man, check in people, welcome back to the channel. It's a boy Kanta. Yeah man, and today out here for another adventure now, people. So watch what I go on. I have some fish in the pan here, so yeah man, so I go on some nice parrot fish. You see me, I go match them up today in the fire paper pan here. You see me people, the rest of man them do to see me, you know. Yeah man, Shane Adventure, Patsy boy, yeah man, the rest of man them big chops behind camera. See me, you know, peep. So I get right into this video, so please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell, notify when we drop new video, guys. So let's get right into this video. Yeah man. Come on people, so right now I wanna cut him in a two in here, you see me? Nice parrot fish this, you know, people. And previous diving video, people, I aim this, you know, you see me? Aim this, so I go match up today. I want the end up on the fridge. And I say, I have to cook it today now pass. You see me? I aim this now, you know, people. Put him in a two. Yes, I want them, I said them alright, see me, you know, people. So I just season him up. Right away, you know, people. Yeah, man, I'll snoop. I'll go and catch a fire. In the meantime, you see me get on some Maggi all purpose. You see me? Some fish season. Yeah. Man, so some jerk season we get on upon him, you know, people. Don't know. Just a season up first before we put on the natural season, same way, you know, people. And so we season up this well nice. Don't know. Don't know. And them pull a bag. Man, people, I get on some others a season as well too. I tell them before, I season up that one well nice. Watch what I go on. Just roll him in. I go and peep. I roll him in the right way. And that is it, you know, people. See them? So I get the natural seas them, clean off and everything. I check in back, cut them up, you know, so I don't stay tuned and watch what I go. So watch what I go on. So Shane Adventure, just check in at the kitchen. Yeah man, don't know me and him go match up the fish and thing. Yeah man, we take them out of the foil paper pan because I cut up the natural seas. I already get some water there, so already. So chip off some more and we just cut them up. I have a one cabbage over there, so same way to, you know, people, don't know. And we have to it out the mud and wild way today, you know, people.
I try to do a fish bowl. Yeah? You have crab bowl and all these bowls. So there I try to do a fish bowl and all stuff. We don't know exactly what we are doing, guys. You see me? Because we have all the egg and all these things. Cabbage.
That's it, what?
So we got three talkie. We are going to do it. You see me?
Yeah, we just invent into the people.
Guys, that's what they are do. So we are here about crab bowl and the ray. So we say, alright, here we go. We are do a fish bowl today, but we are going to do it steam way with some veggie. Irish, you see me? Coconut milk and some roasted noodle. So that is it. So look out on here and see it all come out. Cabbage them. Cut up, you know. Get the bowl wash off and thing. Get the cabbage cut up now. I will sharp doji. Alright, planting.
You know, so that I made that too. So I'm going peeps, cut up nicely, you know, so we are much see out today. That is it, you know, people see there. Looking lovely. Right now we just get the scallion cut up and now, you know, peeps.
Hot pepper there, bro.
Hot pepper did in the water, man. Just know so that pepper they hot in there, you know.
Hey, garlic there. No garlic.
Yeah, man, people, so just want to go on now. So we have to deal with you now, you know, so there. Split them down on top of it. You see me, the so I cut up. Just throw them over, see there? Looking lovely, you know, people. And that is it, man. Still I cut up some more cabbage. See you more, you know, people.
That is it, my guys. Yeah, man, one share an adventure, you know, my people. Remember, you know, man, up on my channel and hit the thumbnail, you know, man. Subscribe to the thing, you see me? Man, also crackers+fishing. Big up to the back of the camera. Chops himself. Yeah, man, we're outside. Alright, yeah, go ahead now. We want to hold on the Irish channel, bro. No, we just there all the vibes, this and nothing big, you know? I like the thing,
Yeah.
best thing. Reach,
Just arrive. Garlic.
yeah, man, the best thing that you do is a
Small menu today.
yeah, it's a crab, it's a not crab, it's a fish bowl.
Yeah.
But no sweet pan today.
People may think so from yesterday. I have them fish and I say, boy, I don't know what to do with them. You see me? I don't know what to do with them. So I just say, show me just how to do a thing, man.
Some more water.
People, so must be going.
So, stick fire here, use water.
Yeah, I'm going to chip up the rest of garlic and no people. See me? That is it. Under stay tuned. Watch what I'm going to
Yeah, guys, this is it, you know. You don't know, say they may have eat the fish, so we can't cut them three fine. You see me? So I deal with the one type of me. You know, so still have something to active up the little something, you know?
That is it. Huh?
Remember, so we're not on the rice and we're not on the dumpling, you know? So the cabbage and the Irish are going to be the food with the fish.
So I'm going peeps. Looking wonderful so far, you know. man, that is it, man.
Irish thing solid too. Okra and nice, you know, listen to guys.
Okra nice, man.
You can't get no okra no, so that's how I use so much Irish beef sausage.
Just have to just use what we have enough people, you know?
Oh, now we just make it stay.
And next time, we have again.
Yeah, right now, it's like using what you have. Yeah. So you want to chop out the finger. Guys, that is it now. Right now, I'm going to go ahead with the garlic now, guys. I have a new style for the garlic then, you know. That is it.
People cut them up well fine, you know, man. That is it, man.
You know, guys, that is it, you know. Still have a piece of pepper here, man. Nah, left out the fish them kind of big. You know, so it have to soak in.
Yeah, man, people, so swag one, you know. Just season up all of the things in the cut up now. And that is it, you know. Go on. And fish season this.
So, you know, guys, so if you feel like, say, this now be sufficient food, so you fish still can put on tough crackers, water crackers in there. So, you don't know why I create. Tap on the black with them. get some rooster now. Now watch the name here, a rooster. Go ahead now. You know the thing, guys. Want some liquid in there, so we are going to mix out the coconut milk.
And people, so soon as him come back with the water, check in back to yeah man. Man, check in people, that's what I want. And boss go look some apple, man, drop in some apple in it as well too.
There guys, getting some real Jamaican TT apple alongside. Mix up a vegetable with the food, you know, mix it with the fruits, you know. Now they them thick, then thin. Man, try this at home, man.
Man, people saying that big chops look something cane. Man, when get cane from you.
Fresh off of the farm.
You plan cane?
Associate.
That is it, man.
My brown.
That is it, you know, people, you don't know. See the peeps? Everything active. You have the coconut powder and some water here, so that's a mix out. So getting me, you know.
Guys, then we get the fire started. That is it.
That is it, you know, people. It's wonderful. A piece of butter I'm gonna drop in it as well to peeps.
Oops, so you go on. That is it.
So stay tuned and watch out.
Good evening, people. Now we are checking. Crackers+fish, fishing.
You know, guys, so they are trying to get the fire start up from early because we don't want to put it on a blazing fire, isn't it?
That is it.
We want to put it on sign of ashes. So we are getting fire pitch.
That is it, guys. Now stay tuned and watch out.
Anyway, the money I can fire in a spot.
Hey guys, now go ahead and catch the fire, guys. The ambulance. Whoa. So you guys see it there? I try to use one Maggie bag and catch the fire. I save my skill. I keep it on school, I go still in guys. I must still know.
No, I didn't see me out.
Blaze him up. As I have blow up and fire and get out.
Anyway, smoke there, fire did there, guys. That mama tell me. Careful.
Bamboo, throw some oil in there.
Like it, man.
That's spicy, I got body now, you know, right? I gotta put crackers+ juice in there too.
Now, yeah. I'll be a second one on him.
Barra.
Mad boy, man. Nah, put no crackers+ juice in there, man. Yeah, that work.
Alright.
Crackfish. Come here, when I eat and I run the pot. They never have no phone and video nothing.
Yeah man people, so get the tough crackers I know. And all of this I put it in the people, so watch out for them in decent thing, you know. That is it.
Yeah, guys, the fire they start going. Do what you have to do, you know.
Go on peeps, line them out decent, you know.
Just keep the biscuit them by the matching side. Turn over that one. But this chef them in a over. Canterbury. Here fishing. Watch it. Think I let them get now? You get some of this?
That is it.
Not leaving.
They're not leaving. One people has one enough one piece. That is it, you know, people. So let's stay tuned and watch one go on, you know. Yeah, man.
Hey guys, we have some sweet pepper here. We have some scallion and thyme. So I get them, flush over the crackers. We get that steam there and that proper sensation there, even through the crackers, isn't it? So that is it. So I go on.
Wow, chef, wow, you're a key. Yeah, man. Give me plan.
Yeah, them scallion look fresh though. Janta.
I only set them that early, you know.
See fire them guys that take time at throwing ashes.
Just eat want no people, no high fire. No peeps. Yeah, man. Put on it. One pan. Grilling the people. Don't know. And that is it, man. Let's get them wash off. Natural season them. And just get them cut up right around the people.
Chef Shane Adventure.
Shane Adventure.
Subscribe to Shane Adventure.
Yeah, Shane Adventure TV.
You know if you call it so nice though. Yeah guys, see it now.
Bless up the people, man, you know?
Yeah man. Getting some scallion. fine piece if I remember steam. Yeah. That is it for that.
Go on, leave. Take your time.
That is it, man.
I think we are doing on people. I put a tip, a salt, then that is it. Cover him down. And go on that and move it down. See it now, guys.
Lock it on.
I get him on there. Just like that.
Yeah, peeps, so I go on. That is it, man. So now we just put him down on the fire itself, you know. Man, no high fire just alone cool down the same, you know. That just steam that up and everything, you know, people.
It's not anymore than 20.
So, they are still in the people, so go and watch it, see them where. So, hope you guys will like up the video and I share the video. I don't know people, man, so just stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah, man.
The pure say here, fathers. It's in our ball food of mamas. It's our first time we are flying, you know.
So,
Look at that. Wow.
coming out nice, you know, people.
Trouble there. Yeah, look what I want now. Irish can come like them and come on. See what I want for the fish then. Yeah, get him on back in the peeps. So I look at the one more stuff. Hello. So this is the fish bowl we are talking about it, guys. That's how you can put the water. Alright. Lock him up back. Nah, the panic long this time. Thing down the cook.
That is it, no people, so just stay tuned. Watch what I go on.
This is it, you know, man.
Wow.
You don't know, don't.
Yeah, come down to stuff.
Yes, a Patsy boy.
Don't know, don't.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, means the deal, you know, man.
Right in time.
You know.
You hear them, people? I mean, if you cut the board in and not a cut itself, the Patsy boy have to reach.
That is it, man. The team people, so I go on. Beautiful, you know, man.
With nice peeps. With nice peeps, man. Tell them.
That is it, man.
Just put your hand back now, guys. Wait. Next a bit of time. And then we take your back and share. time take him off back. Gone again. As you can see, you know, remember, you know, like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know, one can time be outside here.
That is
Sheen
it.
Adventure TV. That is it. That's what I go on, you know. So we did it. Yeah, we did it, guys. Ooh. The place nice, you know.
That is it. People right now must get the plate them out right about now. Now reaching in, you see me?
You know, people see it, you know. I get them share. Yeah. You want to share? One share, sir.
Get all the fish first, the people. First thing first, that. One. Lovely, you know, people. See them, you know? Can't go to a restaurant go buy them, you know? And then deer. See me? You see, you know, this hot. The cabbage and everything, people steam out well nicely, you know, I tell you now. People still there, one. Deal with it the right way. Snowball. People swam one. To the place, plate them decent and nice, you know, people. I don't know. Put the fish in the people because I don't know, say I never know. So I don't know, so I want everybody to get a taste of the fish same way, you know, people. You know, so I want everybody enjoy it same way. Watch out that this thing.
Hey guys, this is the fish bowl, you know. You can try it at home. All you have to do, don't cut your vegetable and put fine.
Yeah.
Remember, say not eat no rice, no dumpling.
Nothing else.
Yeah, those vegetable, fish and crackers. Yeah, man, that is it.
Yeah. Now, well cooking up people, see there? Tear away.
That one there, see me.
Yes, sir.
That one there, see me.
That one half for you. That can make him out, eh?
I don't know the crackers.
I'm going to pack a cast.
Slush. Slush. Yeah, guys, that is it.
And people, so I like this, you know. That is it. Yo, man, them can fall and take up on me.
That's what I got.
One. That is it.
garlic make it booming, guys.
I'll patch boy, man.
Not bad, bro.
People that want to active in the people, I tell them. Mad. That is it, man.
But real, guys.
Yeah.
Use a shame.
Wow. I have to take a picture, guys. Come on, let's have to go up on the statue.
It's a canter. Trouble.
Why more keep people I tell you. Everything nice and active in the people.
That is it, huh?
After they're going there mad, no? After they're
What? You apple down?
the apple in there mad, man.
Yeah, man.
Canter spearfish, you know. Don't know. Or cimarron. Prepare by him and
That
shade,
is
you
it,
don't
man.
know. People like, share and subscribe, no people. Don't know. Steam fish and crackers. As a saying, say, pot bowl.
That is it, man.
Fish bowl, you understand? That is it, man. Well spicy, my people.
Yeah.
Cheese right down to the bone.
Apple and get a nice fruity flavor. Apple make it booming, guys.
Awesome, man. That is it, the people say, man, them there. So I'm going after them and see them, you know. Patsy boy.
Like if food done, patsy boy, man.
No, man, fee man.
Yeah, man.
See
Yo, everybody have to run away.
I see fee on now, man.
Yo, everybody have to run
Fucking
away.
nerdy, man.
Respect, man. That is it, man. Check in on the fish dish, you know.
Yeah.
You don't get this anywhere, you know, my people. Only at Tianta Spear Fishing. That is it, man. Terrible fish bowl, man.
Booming down.
One people.
Apple them. You know what?
Tough, man.
Apple them.
Natural, you know. Real, man. Bad for people. Tough. Patsy boy, I tell you, say tough. Seasoning just right, everything. That is it, man. One people.
I put that chop.
Like you saying. No, now man, my people, man. Man, start scooping up it. Well, you know, start eat slow.
Yeah. So I want people eat pan empty, you know. Okay? Empty. That is it.
Try this at home, guys. You know, take a lot. Just some fire stick, a big pan, and 1 pound of fish.
That is it, man. And you that.
Do that.
Yeah.
And Patsy boy I tell you say, don't lift your Maggie. Else your pot go saggy.
Yeah.
That is it, man.
Nah, go do good.
Nah, go do good. You have to have your Maggie, my people.
Alright, yeah man people, that's what I'm going to. Yeah man, party boy there. I'm going to feed man, see you man, yeah man, I don't know. Yeah man, the boss them there, enjoy the fish, yeah man, the fish bowl as well, Shane Adventure say. Yeah man, big and Shane Adventure over here, so see you man, the people, I'm up for them. Don't know, big chops, they are cut hard, you know, people. Yeah man, that is it now, yesterday. And them shell off them fish long time, you know, people. So I go on, that is it man. Shane Adventure say, oh, that one a wicked and bad enough people, you don't know. Yeah man, that is it enough people, so yeah. Those are going to watch one, go and see myself. Cause man, they are enjoy feeding my people, so yeah man, do for people, like, comment, share and subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, notify me happening video guys. Until then guys, catch you in the next epic adventure like this enough people. Yeah man, that is it.